Say goodbye to tangled cords and check out this cordless vacuum I found off of TikTok Shop. Today, my daughter decided that it would be a good day to have some fun with flour that was on the counter, and she decided to sprinkle it on the floor and roll around in it. So, after I got her all cleaned up, I decided it was time to clean up the mess. With this Be Life vacuum cleaner I found off of TikTok Shop, it was no problem at all to clean up the flour, and within just a few passes, it was all gone. This vacuum has 3 suction speeds, low, medium, and high, and it also shows the battery life on top of the vacuum with that little light you see there, which is awesome because not all cordless vacuums show that. It also has an adjustable pole setting, a wall mount, and a couple different attachments. Grab yours now before they're gone.